In this video, I'll show you how to connect your quiz to webhooks so that all quiz responses, customer data, and recommended products are automatically sent to an external platform in real time. First, make sure you already have a quiz set up with several questions and results. Once your quiz is ready, go to your quiz settings, open the Integrations tab, and scroll all the way down until you find the Webhook section. Click Add Webhook. For this demo, I'll use a website called Webhook.site, which lets us generate a test webhook URL to check if the connection works. In Webhook.site, copy the unique webhook URL, go back to your quiz in the RevenueHunt app, and paste it into the webhook URL field. Give your webhook a clear name, for example, Skincare Test Quiz. Optionally, you can add custom headers, such as a key and value pair, if your target endpoint requires authentication or special formatting. But for most cases, a simple setup works just fine. Next, you can decide which data fields from the quiz you want to send. For example, customer info, quiz answers, or recommended products. You can toggle each field on or off, depending on what your receiving endpoint expects. Once you've made your selections, save the changes. And don't forget to click Save Again in the top right corner to apply them to your live or preview quiz. Now you're ready to test it. From the Webhook section, open the drop-down menu next to your webhook and select Send Test. If everything's working correctly, you'll see a confirmation message that the webhook was sent successfully. Now go back to Webhook.site, and you'll see a new post request appear instantly. Open it, and you'll find a complete JSON payload containing all the data your quiz sends, including all quiz questions and answers, recommended product details, customer information such as name and email, metadata about the quiz session. You can use this webhook data to connect your quiz with marketing and automation tools, analytics dashboards, or any custom endpoint that supports post requests. That's it! You've now successfully connected your quiz to webhooks, sent your first test payload, and confirmed that quiz data is being transmitted in real time. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.